Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get Roblox voice chat. So first off, you want to go to more section here on more, and on more, you want to go to settings. On settings, you want to go to the privacy section here. On privacy, wait for it to load. Now you want to go to the communication centers here. On communication, you want to go to voice chat. On voice chat, you just have to enable this. Like that, save successfully, and now your voice chat is enabled. Although you might not see this option here on Roblox until you verify your identity. And the way you verify your identity in Roblox is that you'll have to have a government ID or a driver's license or a passport license prepared, and then they will take a picture of that, and then they will take a picture of your face as well to verify your identity. Now, until they verify your identity, this voice chat thing won't appear because it's age restricted, right? But once you verified your identity, this option will appear and you will be able to turn it on just like this. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.